Students, this is Miss Martin here. Here is your tutorial on range, mode, median, and mean. Remember we looked at this a little bit during this weekend class. So I am going to find the range, the mode, the median, and the mean of a set of numbers. Let's use 3, 3, 4, 7, and 8. All right, let's look at the range first. Remember, the range is the difference between the largest and smallest values in a set. And luckily, I've gone ahead and put them in numerical order for you, but you might want to go ahead and list your data in numerical order first before you begin, but it's up to you. In order to find the range, I'm going to take the greatest value and I'm going to subtract it by the smallest or the least value. So in here, it would be 8 minus 3. Let me make sure you notice that is my highest or largest value. And here's my lowest, is my 3. So 8 minus 3 gives me 5. My range in this data set would be 5. Let's go ahead and look at the mode. Remember that the mode is the value or number that occurs most often in a set. And if no number is repeated or no number is found as often, then there is no mode. In looking at my set of numbers, 3 appears more than any of the other numbers in my set. So easily I can identify that my mode is 3. And looking at the median, which I like to remember because it sounds like I'm saying middle, even though middle is spelled M-I-D-D-L-E. Median is spelled M-E-D, but M-I-D, M-E-D somehow sounds similar in my brain, so I really always readily associate the two together. But remember, the median is the number that is located halfway into the set. To find the median, you do need to list your numbers in numerical order first, or in order from your least to your greatest value, which if you do that when you first get your set, then you're already on top of the ball. But if not, then you have to, at this point, list your numerical value, your numbers in order from least to greatest. So in looking at these numbers, I have an odd set of numbers, so I can readily identify that there are 2 values to the left of my 4 and 2 values to the right. So the 4 is the median. The mean is the average of the numbers. To find the mean, you need to add all of the numbers up in your set and then divide by however many numbers there are. This is called the sum divided by the count concept that you might have remembered or seen in 4th grade. So the mean of my numbers, I'm going to take all of my values here and I'm going to add them all the way up. I'm going to get a number. Then I'm going to take that number and I'm going to divide it by 5 because I have 5 numbers in my set. So in looking at this, I know 3 and 3 is 6. I know 7 and 8 is 15. So then I know that's 25. So 3, 3, 4, 7, and 8 should equal 25. Then I'm going to take that 25 and I'm going to divide it by 5 because there are 5 numbers in my set, which gives me 5 because I know my multiplication facts. Yes, I do. And 5 is my mean or my average. That is what you're going to be doing for homework tonight. You're going to be looking at home connection number 9, which asks you to use the information below to help you find the range, the mode, the median, and the mean of a set of numbers. So on this page, you're looking at the range, mode, median, and mean for these set of numbers. And on the subsequent pages, you'll be finding the range, mode, median, and mean for other sets of numbers. So remember, don't leave anything blank on your homework. If you have any questions at all, if you leave it blank, you need to write, I don't know, and you need to explain to me what it is about the range, the mode, the median, and the mean that you just don't get. Good luck. Talk to me tomorrow if you have any questions. Good night.